Firstly, my gratitude for your continued attention. Today, I want to talk about the 7 sheets or layers of the body and how they relate to our being. These are known as Koshas in Sanskrit. First up, Annamaya Kosha, physical body. The physical body is the most gross aspect of our being. Gross in terms of being tangible or being touchable. It consists of the physical form, organs, and systems that we can see and touch. To maintain a healthy physical body, Sadhguru recommends practicing asanas, yoga postures, to strengthen the muscles, improve flexibility, and enhance overall physical well-being. Regular exercise, proper nutrition, and adequate rest are also essential. To perform physical yoga is known as Karma Yoga. Now, the second body is the energy body, Pranamaya Kosha. The energy body refers to the subtle energy that flows within us. It encompasses the nadis, energy channels, and chakras, or energy centers, through which life force energy, or prana, circulates. To balance and activate the energy body, Sadhguru suggests practicing pranayama, or breathing exercises, and certain yogic practices like Nadi Shuddhi, which purifies and balances the energy channels. Regular meditation can also help in channeling and harnessing the energy within. To perform energy practices is referred to as Kriya Yoga. Then there is the mental body, or Manomaya Kosha. The mental body encompasses our thoughts, emotions, and intellect. It plays a significant role in shaping our perceptions and experiences. Sadhguru emphasizes the importance of maintaining a balanced and focused mind. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can help to calm the mind, reduce stress, and cultivate clarity and emotional stability. Regular introspection and self-reflection are also beneficial for nurturing the mental body. To use the mind is referred to as Bhakti Yoga. Then there is the etheric body, or known as Vijnana Maya Kosha. The etheric body is the bridge between the physical and the subtle realms of life. It is associated with intuition, insight, and subtle perceptions. To nurture the etheric body, Sadhguru recommends exploring the realms of mysticism and inner dimensions through practices like inner engineering and advanced meditation techniques. Connecting with nature, spending time in silence, and engaging in activities that stimulate creativity can also help in refining the etheric body. The fifth is known as the bliss body, or Anandamaya Kosha. Ananda meaning bliss. The bliss body is a layer of pure joy and transcendence. It is said to be a state of ecstatic bliss that arises when one transcends identification with the physical body and mind. To experience the bliss body, Sadhguru suggests exploring the path of devotion and surrender. Regular spiritual practices like bhakti yoga, chanting, and expressing gratitude can also help awaken and expand the experience of the bliss body. Then there is the causal body, or Karanamaya Kosha. The causal body is the deepest layer of our being, associated with the realm of pure potentiality. It represents the cause and effect of our existence and holds the blueprint of our karmic patterns and past experiences. To connect with the causal body, Sadhguru advises delving into self-inquiry and meditative practices that explore the nature of consciousness. Deep contemplation and self-realization techniques can help unravel the deeper layers of the causal body. In conclusion, Sadhguru's teachings offer a profound understanding of the multi-layered nature of our existence. By nurturing and harmonizing each part, physical, mental, energy, etheric, bliss, and causal bodies, through dedicated yogic practices, meditation, self-reflection, and self-exploration, we can unlock our true potential and experience higher levels of consciousness, joy, and fulfillment. Remember to embark on the journey with an open heart, a curious mind, and a commitment to self-discovery and inner growth. Namaskaram.